Ayan, good afternoon na. Tayo sa Bawadi. Bumili tayong dalawang lemon ni Habibti. Ayan, February 23. Dahil birthday ni Kuya Yusuf. Bibili tayo ng cake niya. Actually, nakabili na pala tayo ng cake niya dito sa Cold Stone. So, bayad na. Kaya lang, dumaan lang ako ng dumaan lang ako ng Carrefour. Ayun o. Yun yung binili ko isa. Eto. So, eto na. Ayan ata. Doon nilagay ni ate.
Ayun na.
Ay, okay na. Kapapasok mo nga lang eh. Ayan.
Sa'yo mo. Na lang po yung 150.
So, sino mag-15 hours? Ay, 17 hours bukas. Ako. Ikaw pa rin? Ikaw.
Chocolate din yung pinansulat ni ate. Happy ano?
Happy 4th.
4th. Ayun. Ano oras na? Ano oras na ba? Oh, 5:45 na pala.
Pray again.
Ayun o.
Not telling me again.
So, yun lang.
Hey, ang ganda din na saya.
Ay, nakalagay pala siya sa bag.
Thermal bag po yan. In case na matagal yung biyahe, hindi siya agad
Kahit hanggang ano. Sige, salamat po. Ayan na. Let's go. Kuya Yusuf! Good evening. It's good evening because it's 6:10 na. Oh, 6:20 will be Adan. The break of fasting. Yeah? Oh, it's a
The Spider-Man cake!
wow!
Wow! It's
Happy 4th birthday,
Para ko yung Yusuf.
Yusuf. Ay, nanay, erase the Yusuf. What? Spider-Man?
It's a Spider-Man!
Kuya, too much Spider-Man, oh. Oh.
Wow!
Oh, blow your candles na. Oh. Kuya Yusuf, you can blow your candles na. Ha?
Happy birthday!
Tita Linlin also. Ha? Tita Linlin. Tita Linlin also naman. Ayan. Ayan, nalagyan ni Nanay put some Spider-Man decoration for Kuya Yusuf birthday. Wow. Because Kuya Yusuf likes Spider-Man na and Optimus Prime. Tapos pansit. Ayan. Yung fried chicken andun pa.
Ayan. Happy birthday!
Ayan, oh. Wow! Your Kuya's birthday today.
Blow the candle na!
Blow na, blow. Ay! You blow it?
Ayan, oo!
You blow it? You blow it? What is your wish? You have to make a wish.
Siya! Again!
Again. Kuya, you have to make a wish. What is your wish? Wish. Make a wish. Wish.
You like?
Like Tita Linlin will buy me Optimus Prime. Like that, your wish. Make wish. Make a wish. Okay na? Blow again. Ay, wait. Nanay, pakita mo, blow.
Blow your candle!
1, 2. Very
Ang
good.
layo ng blow eh!
Ang lakas mag-blow ni Kuya Yusuf, mashallah. Happy birthday! Ayan.
You're 4 years old ka! OM!
Kuya, hold your cake. I gonna take a picture of you. Hold your
Ay,
cake.
Tita Joanna! Oh, say hi, Tita Joanna!
Hold your cake like this.
Oh, don't drop it
It's heavy. Here, down. Yeah, like that. It's heavy. Okay. Okay, Yusuf.
Naman tumutulo sa pagkain.
Smile only. Not like that. Only show your teeth. You gonna fall down.
Pag-smile!
One. Show your teeth.
Kung isa tumutulo.
Show me your teeth. Tay? not smiling, you're not happy. Again. Smile.
Yeah!